Hi friends, this video we talk about Cadila Healthcare Limited. This company is also known as Zydus Cadila. Is a Indian multinational pharmaceutical company headquartered in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. This company is engaged with manufacturing of generic drugs. Cadila Healthcare turned around 250 crores in 1995. In FY20, this company turnovered rupees 14,253 crores. This company getting 45 of its revenue from US generic business. Market capital 63,513 crore. Current price 620. PE 27.7. Book value 127, dividend yield 0.56, ROCE 15.1, return on equity 19.6, face value 1 rupees. This company is listed at 1st April 2005 at 29 rupees. Today this company trading at 620 rupees. This means 20 time return in just 15 years. Comparing to its major competitor, this company having less PE. Profit and loss. This year this company increased their sales and expense. Operating profit, profit before tax, net profit are also increased. Earning per share is also increased. Dividend payout, this company giving 17% this year. Stock price CAGR, 10-year return 13%, 5-year return 14%, 3-year return 15%, 1-year return 71%. Balance sheet, this company having 102 crore shares. Reserves, this company constantly increase their reserves and also reducing their borrowings. Cash flow, this company cash flow is reduced this year. This is not a bad one because this company getting cash from operations is increased. Cash from operation means selling their product, so that this year this company sold more products, but the net cash flow is low compared to previous year. We need to check this. This company purchased fixed asset this year. They invest 854 crores, so that only this loss may came. Cash from financials, this company made minus 2,549 crore loss in the year. Why this made? Because of this company is settling its borrowing. This company used their money to settle their borrowing, so only this company having less net cash flow 22. Seeing here, this company reduced their borrowing. Before year, this company having 7,999 crore, but this year this company reduced half of their debt. ROCE, this company having 15% ROCE. Shareholding pattern, promoter having 79.88%. Patel family having major stake in this company. Panjak Patel having 3.9 billion US dollar and it making him India's 46th richest person. FII 5.23%, domestic institutional investors having 11.30%, government having 0.19%, public having 8.40%. 5 brokers given buy rating for this company. Dolat Capital given buy rating with target price of 701. Harihant Capital Market given buy rating with target price of 678. Prabhudas Lilladher given buy rating with target price of 696. Motilal Oswal given buy rating with target price 740. Sharekhan given buy rating with target price 720. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Bye friends.